back. Nagkaroon lang po kami ng konting technical difficulty. So, I'm here with Crystal Panata again, a shooting actress. So, Crystal, what can you say about this beach resort?
Oh my god, it's so init here. So Gustavo.
Yeah, it smells really bad.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Tingnan mo naman yung seashore, my god.
Oh my gosh, our cameraman. Actually, we're using a camera because our camera, our video cam is useless. You know, I'm here with Crystal Pareto and I joined her because we want to explore
And mababagara po yung camera.
the beauty of Touch Point Resort here in Rosario, Cavite. And it's really far. I mean, how many hours we travel from Lipang?
I think 2 hours and 30 minutes.
No, 2 hours is like Manila only. I think we traveled for about 3.5 hours. Because we traveled, what time did we like?
6.
No, I think it's 5:30
So you call me
a.m.
a liar.
So you're Jamie Salvoso. So actually we're really tired right now and
I'm so haggard now.
we wanted to take a nap, but then there is no hotel here. There are only kubos that has so many cockroaches, puto, garapata, and everything that's dirty. So we kind of like just stay
And
here
nalulubog
out of
na
the
po.
sun and we're like nog-nogs na.
Nog-nog.
Look at my skin.
Sinog.
Ala, oo nga, sunod na ako shit.
And this episode is enough. I can't handle this anymore. My skin is really destroyed.
It's so disgusting now, my
It's broken already and I hate this.
Doon tayo sa malilom.
Fuck my life. Fuck this. This resort needs some slapping. Goodbye.